Inside the 2022 Mercedes EQS 580. In the world of cars and luxurious vehicles, Mercedes-Benz remains one of the most trusted, innovative brands in the world. A decade of reputation and showcase goes so far to prove. The unique ways they manage a solid blend of luxury, class and supreme comfort is nothing short of astounding. However, while their reputation speaks volumes, there's no better proof of their timeless commitment to creating the world's most luxurious cars than the new 2022 Mercedes EQS 580. With a smooth and radiant exterior and excellent suspension, graceful whisper-quiet tires that glide effortlessly along mountain roads, its sexy lights, and a streamlined composure, it's clear that the EQS 580 is superior to any of Mercedes' previous models. But what does this luxurious beauty look like on the inside? In today's video, I'll take you on a first-class tour into one of the world's most phenomenal vehicles, the Mercedes EQS 580. You'll see this car in its entire splendor and discover the fantastic interior and features, the splendid new age design, and why it may cost you a fortune to get one. Before we start, smash the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified when we post new videos. The 2022 Mercedes EQS 580, bold and gallant, is one of the most aerodynamic cars in the world and the first electric car in the Mercedes-Benz luxury class. Everybody knows that Mercedes-Benz is one of the biggest brands in the world. Mercedes has always been known to whip up the perfect blend of luxury, comfort and class. But with the EQS 580, they took it to a whole different level. The Mercedes EQS 580, estimated to cost somewhere between $110,000 and $185,000, is one of Mercedes' latest inventions. It has fundamentally been re-engineered and stands out from the previous traditional powered classes. During the Grand S-Class unveil in April, Mercedes CEO Ola Källenius described the new class rolling out as a defining moment for the world's greatest car maker. Definitely we see what he's talking about. Unlike earlier EQC, EQV, EQA and EQB models, the EQS isn't derived from an existing ICE-powered system. Instead, the Mercedes EQS 580 4MATIC is powered by an EV platform with a new high-density battery pack. This pack promises a vast range of up to 485 miles. The exterior of the EQS 580 features a black panel and angular headlights. Slide your eye along the exterior and to the sides and you'll see the frameless doors, the same doors adopted in the S-Class. They're generously dimensioned to accommodate alloy wheel ranges of as much as 19 to 21 inches. The EQS 580 is 17.11 foot long, 4.96 feet tall, and 6.32 feet wide when measured from the outside. That's 0.12 feet longer, 0.03 feet higher, and 0.09 feet narrower than the S-Class, making it a lot roomier than the S-Class. Now here's one bit of a surprise. Despite the generous dimensions of the EQS 580, Mercedes reveals that it's more streamlined and aerodynamically efficient than the S-Class, breezing with a record-breaking drag coefficient of 0.20 CD. The EQS 580 blends bespoke elements already used in other models with new features. It has a layout up front with 12.3-inch and 12.8-inch digital displays for the instruments and infotainment systems. Interested buyers can choose to specify the EQS with the new Hyperscreen, a one-piece curved display that runs across the width of the dashboard and holds 3 digital screens, the first for the dials, the second for the infotainment, and the last one is specifically designed for the front passenger. The 4.63 feet display comes with a sensor that automatically alters the brightness in sunny conditions at impressive speeds. One less thing to worry about. The fast processing speed is enabled by the system's 8-core processor, its 24GB memory, and its latest generation of Mercedes MBUX operating system that comes with touch control and Hey Mercedes conversational speech input functions. Even more impressive is the heads-up display with augmented reality functions. The EQS 580 also supports over-the-air software downloads, so you can update and install various features or dig into a new subscription-based service available via the Mercedes Me app if you want to. The steering is light and well suited to move through any road, regardless of the condition. It's light enough but still manages to maintain that sufficient tactility to the variable ratio system so that when you grab it, the steering feels like an extension of your arm, and you consequently feel more involved in your movements. The Mercedes EQS 580 has an electronically controlled four-wheel drive system. This system allows the 580 to power faster than any of the other Mercedes electromechanical setups. It also lets you deploy a good deal of the EQS's reserves for quick but controlled exits from sharp corners. The seats within the Mercedes EQS 580 are wide and comfortable. They're divided by a high-placed center console. The seats themselves come with as many as 19 adjustment motors and 10 massage programs. The back seats can be configured with either a bench for 3 or 2 distinct seats. The extra height and length of the EQS 580 provides some extra room for the legs and shoulders. But beyond what the eyes can see, let's take a look at some of those unique features deep within the Mercedes EQS 580. The EQS 580 comes as the improved variant of the EQS 450 Plus. The EQS 450 Plus weighed 2,480 kilograms and ran with a singular motor that developed 329 brake horsepower and 419 pounds-per-foot of torque, catching a sprint time of 6.2 seconds for 0 to 62 miles per hour. The EQS 580, on the other hand, weighs 2,510 kilograms, runs with 2 motors, and gives a combined output of 516 brake horsepower and 630 pounds-per-foot of torque for a 0 to 62 mph time of 4.3 seconds. Also, while the EQS 450 Plus boasts a range of 485 miles through its similar 107.8 kWh battery pack used by almost all models, totaling an efficiency range between 3.1 to 3.9 miles per kilowatt, the all-wheel drive Mercedes EQS 580 has an efficiency range between 2.9 and 3.4 miles per kilowatt for a 420-mile range. What does the Mercedes EQS 580 feel like when cruising the city with the 4MATIC? Driving the Mercedes EQS 580 through town, you will have a feel of its maneuverability. Its setup is similar to that of the S-Class. However, it's a bit more advanced. The improved design helps provide as much as 10 degrees of parallel steering that shortens the wheelbase at below 37 mph and lengthens it at any point above 37 mph. This allows the Mercedes EQS 580 to deliver excellent low speed when drifting through the city. You can also set the car into sport driving mode, where it takes on more agile maneuverability. The overall balance is impressive. You can generate a great deal of cornering speed in this mode before your EQS 580 tires lose their grip. The body movements of the Mercedes EQS 580 are also well controlled. This top-notch control is aided by the EQS 580's low center of gravity and its balanced front-to-rear weight distribution. The EQS 580 also features an Airmatic air suspension with standard variable damping controls that heighten the car's already great composure and comfort. In this regard, it might dwarf the S-Class a little bit, but look on the brighter side. The EQS 580 has excellent absorption that isolates shocks from whichever road surface you're traveling on. Speaking of which, the EQS 580 also dampens a lot of wind noise. You can have a quiet ride through a windy evening. The tires are just as quiet on smooth surfaced roads. At the end of your cruise, the EQS 580 allows a smooth pedal action. Its latest petrol-electric PHEVs will enable you to slow down from top speed with confidence, despite the numerous recuperation functions bundled with the friction brakes. The EQS 580 is obviously in a class of its own, and if you're not impressed by the smooth, sharp exterior, a few seconds within the EQS will surely change your mind. The level of detail put into the engineering of this car is absolutely amazing. It incorporates what's been missing from previous EQ models into its delicate finish. By far, the Mercedes EQS 580 sings of high quality. Mercedes has surely taken the time to craft this vehicle to perfection. It's safe to say that the EQS 580 is the world's most capable electric car right now. If you have the money, you might as well rush to purchase your EQS 580 Plus in the fall. It is, after all, worth every dime you pay for it. What's your favorite thing about the Mercedes EQS 580? Is it a car you would buy? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.